welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So today's video is going to be another unboxing on my channel, and today I'm going to unbox the Glamego box for the month of January. So guys, New Year brings a lot of good things in our life, a lot of positivity and a lot of hope. So I hope that you guys are having a really good start of the year. And guys, if you guys have no idea about Glamego box, then make sure you guys go and check out my description box for the link as well as all the details. And let me tell you that Glamego box is a very affordable beauty subscription box in India, which comes for just $399 for 1 month subscription including shipping charge. So let me show you this month's box. So here it is, guys. First of all, let's take a deep breath because the box is absolutely stunning. I just love the color combination. Like this blue and black is just stealing my heart. This is beautiful, and if you guys don't know, let me tell you that Glamego boxes are all magnetic boxes, and these are really great for storing all your makeup products, jewelry, whatever you want to store, so you can actually reuse these boxes. So it says deep clean over here. So let's open the box and see how the inside of it looks. So this is how the inside of the box looks, and the first thing that I can see is of course the card. Okay, so the card says Happy New Year, and by the way guys, let me tell you, the box looks filled with products. So let's see what is the first product. So the first product is from the brand Bella Voste, and it's a premium foundation, and for this particular product you can choose your own shade. So this one is priced at rupees 699, and it comes in this beautiful black packaging. So I basically went for the second shade, that is 02 Barley Beige. So here is the foundation, guys. It kind of, the packaging kind of reminds me of Color Bar packaging. You're getting 30 ml of product in it. So this is basically going to be hydrating, filling and enhancing. So expecting this to have a dewy finish. Now this particular product had been manufactured in 7/2017, but you can use this product till 12/2019. That means you can use it till December. So I'm going to take one drop of this foundation at the back of my hand, and let's see how the coverage is, how the finish is. So here I have two lines, you can see. Let's just apply this over it and see whether it covers it up or not. Let's see how the coverage basically is. Okay, so what I can see is that the coverage isn't, like, it's not very high coverage, but it isn't bad. Like, it gives you a shade to medium coverage. It's more on the medium side. The next product in the box is from the brand called Health Wit, and it's a peel off face mask which is priced at rupees 350. Now this product is for both men and women, and it basically cleanses the pores and revitalizes the skin. Now for this particular product, guys, I really wanted to try out this product because I have seen this product in other videos, and I really wanted to get this for myself, and I'm so happy that I've received it in my Glamego box. You can use it up till 2020, so you're getting a pretty long time to use up this product. The next product in the box is an Ayurvedic hair oil from Sesa, which is priced at rupees 130. So here is the oil. Now for this one, guys, let me tell you that I have previously used this product. Like, I think I used to use this product when I was in class 12 or 11 or 12, and to be honest, guys, this product is very good. It really works, and it keeps your hair really healthy. But I don't know why I really stopped using it. Like, in the long run, while trying other products, it somewhere got lost and I stopped using it. But this product is really good. Now one thing which is a bit of a concern is that a lot of us don't use hair oils these days, but let's be honest, guys, we all know that hair oils are actually good for the hair. Now, I personally like using hair oils, and I don't have any issue using hair oils, but if you guys don't like using hair oils, you can definitely give it to someone who uses hair oils. Finally, we come to the last product in the box, and it's basically a luxurious body lotion from the brand called Palmer's, and you're actually getting 2 of these samples. Now this brand Palmer's is a really loved brand. I personally have never used it, but I'm definitely looking forward to try it out. So the sample that I have received is the coconut oil formula, and this one is enriched with vitamin E. So this one has no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oils, no glutens, no sulfates and no dyes. So really looking forward to try it. So guys, with that the unboxing comes to an end. Now if you overall ask me whether I liked this month's box or not, I would say that I loved this month's box because you're getting a box full of products, and the total value of this month's box is rupees 2019. It's like a really value box. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.